Dave Jack's Go with the Blues here. B's gonna knock out a Thai chicken pizza, and man, it's become one of our most popular pizzas yet. You know, from day one. But you know what? I can't even look at them anymore because I eat so many slices when we open. But it's right. B, what's it sells probably 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
Buys
Yeah.
Thai chicken. All right, have at it, B.
Hey guys. All right. So this is our Thai sauce. It's a Thai peanut sauce. They do like to get stuck. So I'm going to hit it with a little bit of our parm. Then we also add a little bit of garlic to it. Some cheese.
What you got?
I gotta bang on stuffing.
Huh?
I gotta bang on stuffing.
All right. Grab me an onion.
That's all it's there.
Our chicken.
Huh? Huh?
And then I finish it with
Yeah.
some basil, some chopped basil. All right, we're gonna put this in real quick. See you in about 4 or 5 minutes. Look at that. There she is.
Woo.
Our chicken Thai basil.
All right, I'll take one for the team.
There are a couple of small ones. Oh. Woo. Got it? Yeah, this is definitely our #1 seller. And I have some customers that'll get it with shrimp too. It's really good with shrimp.
Josh Friedman for one.
Yep,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, Josh is beautiful. That shrimp flavor goes mixed
Yeah.
nice with that Thai sauce.
It does.
Hey, Dave Jack's Go with the Blues, B. Knocked another one out of the park. God bless.
Thanks, guys.